So I am actually sick right now, currently getting over a sinus infection. So I thought, why not do myself up a little and bring myself up, because you know I'm currently down. So with summer around the corner, you know, we have to have the perfect makeup for the beach, right? Because I'm gonna be going to the beach soon. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you how to get the best beach look with minimal makeup. I already wear minimal makeup as it is, but this is even more minimal, even for me. With me being sick, I have to like hydrate around the nose because I'm constantly blowing my nose, which I already did. You can do that with your trusty Vaseline if you're sick too. Hold on. The key to getting over being sick is to hydrate. I'm drinking chia water that's infused with like cucumbers and mint leaves. I love that for me. Before we get started, we're gonna put my hair back. You know, I feel like in order to, giant knot on the end. I feel like in order to accomplish like the best like beachy look, we have to have like the beachy waves, you know? So we're gonna put my hair in a braid to kind of get those waves start forming, which this might defeat the purpose, but we want the wave to kind of go up to the root a little bit. So we might take a few strands of hair with my straightening iron and wave them out. I was supposed to upload a video a while back, however, I had some technical difficulties and half of my footage got deleted somehow, and so that just never happened. I have a lily in my front yard and she's currently dying. I bought her because I was like, I want to start growing flowers. Oh my god, that would be so much fun. She's dying. I replanted her twice, and the first time she was fine, but the second time I replanted her, because it says she has to get constant sun, she began to droop. The sun where I live is too much, and she probably needs more shade than sun. So I'm gonna replant her again and hope for the best, because I am determined to keep her alive. I'm not gonna let her die. I didn't even say what I used. I am using my cocoa butter formula skin therapy oil. Perfect for summertime. This is a must. We're gonna put the rest on my body, because you can also use it on your face and your whole body and hydrate you up, home skillet. We're gonna rub that into the face more though. Next, we're gonna take my Super Goop glow stick and apply sunscreen. But for video purposes, and because I'm not actually going to the beach, we're just going to use this sunscreen. You know, some people would just do a couple swipes. You're not actually supposed to do that. You're supposed to like apply it like pretty good, so that way your whole skin is covered in sunscreen. We're going to take our hands and kind of just rub it into the skin, put a little under the under eyes. This is good. We're gonna wash my hands really quick because I have a lot of products on my hands. Awesome. Now with my soaked beauty blender, we're gonna take my Say Beauty Sun Glow. This is what's gonna give you that nice shimmer tan look. And you literally can wear it just by itself. Oh. So we're gonna kind of blend that into the skin. Give us that warm sun glow. This is for the girlies who are not tan. If you're already tan from like being out in the sun already and you're shedding your winter coat, then this may not be needed. But for girlies like me who hasn't gone to sun yet, this is gonna help me quite a ways. Next, we're gonna apply my Say Beauty concealer. I don't know which one this is. This is the Slip Tip concealer in the shade 5. I am obsessed with this. Literally, you guys already know, like, I get eczema on my eyes, under eyes, whatever. And I already apply stuff to like make sure like I don't get any like reactions when I put on other like concealers. This is the only one where I don't get a reaction. Make it make sense. And you guys know me, I love Kosas, but like literally Say's coming after Kosas for this. So a little bit goes a long way. We don't want too much because the whole point is to be minimal as possible. If you have any blemishes, like take your concealer in the shade like of your skin tone and just kind of do patch concealing. With the wet beauty blender, we're gonna blend this out towards our temples. and drag it down to the cheekbones, just a smidge. On both sides, we're gonna start with the outer corners first. I like to do this because, you know, I feel like most of my product goes to my inner corners, and this kind of helps disperse everything. I'm just talking out of my ass. I don't know if this is actually true. Okay, now we're gonna start with the inner corner. We're gonna drag it down just a smidge to help disperse the excess product. And then we're gonna take it to the middle of the eye. Perfect. Now we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. Next, we're gonna take my Benefit lip and cheek tint. This is the shade Love Tint. Any lip or cheek tint would be fine. This is just what I had on hand. We're gonna start with one cheek at a time. So we're gonna do 2 dots at a time. And then before it dries, we're gonna blend this out with the Beauty Blender. Nice. 2 on the other side. We're gonna build up the coverage. Oh my god, I'm gonna work fast before it dries. We're gonna apply a little bit to the nose. You want that natural, like, sun glow look. You want it to look like you applied makeup. You want to look like you've been out in the sun all day. And we're gonna apply a little bit, 2 dots to the forehead too. So very minimal on the forehead, just a little bit. We're gonna apply 1 more to the cheeks. For the brows, we're just gonna do a brow gel, nothing extravagant. We're gonna curl the lashes for this next part, and then this is gonna be the end of the makeup tutorial. We're gonna do 1 here and here. Okay, this part, any waterproof mascara will work, just as long as it's a good one that you can rely on. This is my mom's Maybelline waterproof Falsies Surreal mascara. It's a Falsies mascara, so it's supposed to give you extra volume. I feel like because, like, you are probably gonna be out in the sun all day, there's no reason to apply bronzer because you're already gonna get pretty tan. I think that's it for the makeup look. We're gonna take our little coconut elf setting mist, shake that baby up. Damn, I'm pale. Have I always been this pale? Okay, now we're gonna take our hair out of the braid. Already like wavy, looks like I was at the beach all day. A girl can dream. You can actually leave it like this if you want, but if you want to, like, I think I'm actually gonna leave it like this because I feel like this looks more natural. Yeah, very minimal, very lightweight, but gorge. Just when you go to the beach, remember to put like some like leave-in conditioner so like the ocean doesn't dry out your hair. But yeah, this is the finished look. If you want to add more, you can, but I recommend not doing that because, like I said, you're gonna get that glow anyways. This is just to help you feel good when you're taking pictures. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye.